Welcome to computer coding class. Today our program is how to create MP3 player in Python. Here we are using two packages. First one is tkinter for GUI interface and Pygame for playing sound in Python. To install tkinter, you will have to write pinstall tk command in your MySQL command prompt. For install game, you will have to write pip install pygame in your MySQL command prompt. You must have high speed internet connection while installing these packages. This program has 5 parts. First part is frame creation, means body part of your player. Here we will use tkinter for frame creation. Second is designing of component. Different components means play button, labels, like this. Here also we will use our tkinter. Third is positioning of component, means placing of different labels, buttons on frame. Here also we will use grid manager of tkinter. Fourth is operational part. Here we will create different functions for sound. Here we will use Pygame mixer music for playing of a sound, pause, stop, like this. And 5 part is main part. In this part we will run our program. Let's start coding. First of all, I will import all necessary packages. First package is Pygame. Second package is tkinter. Third package is open dialog to open sound file. Now we will create frame of our player, that is screen of our player. First of all, we will create object of our tkinter, that is root. Next, create a blank string variable, that is a global variable. Next, set screen title, that is computer coding class. Root dot resizable to false, means you cannot stretch the screen in any direction. And last one is pygame.initialize, that will initialize Pygame package. This is the first part of our player. Second part is designing part of the player. Here we will create all our components like play button, stop button, exit button, like this. First component is header. Here I will use label. This will display the name of player, that is MP3 player. BG means background color set to cyan color, and FG means foreground color. Foreground color is set to brown. And next one is border, width and text. First text equal to MP3 player. Comma border width equal to 3. This is just the formatting of the label. Next, we will place a blank line that is a label. Here, screen color will be set to green, and we are also setting blank line color to green, so blank line will not be visible. Now we will create all buttons one by one. First one is open button. Here I am using button component of Tkinter. Here all buttons background color set to light pink. Next, we will load our player logo image by using photo image command. Here our logo image is stored in same folder where our source code is installed. Photo image command will load this image from our source command folder to this program and stored in img variable. Next, I will place this image to a label. Here we will use image command, image equal to img. In this way, you can load any type of image in Python. This component do not support BMP files. It only supports JPG, PNG and GIF files. Next button is run button to play our sound. Its background is also light pink. Shortcut way, just copy and paste and make change. Next command is stop command to stop the music. Next one is pause button. Temporary pausing of our song. Now we will create exit command to close our application. Now we will place our volume control. Here I am using scale component for creation of volume control. Its range is from 0 to 1 and always increment to 0.1 when we press the button. Orient equal to horizontal means our volume control will be placed horizontally. Next is resolution. Resolution means increment, that is set to 0.1. Background color is orange. Foreground color is black. Now I will create second blank line, that is before status. I will place second blank line. Last component is status. By using label, I will create status. Status will display our current running sound file. It will display all a path of our music file. Relief equal to groove. It means we are giving some depth in status. This is the ending of our designing part. Next we will position all these components on our frame. Here I am using grid manager system for placing our component. You can also use pack manager system. Here whole screen is divided in rows and columns. Here first we are placing header in first row and first column. Here another command is column span. Column span means expanding our component to 3 columns. So I wrote column span equal to 3. Next we will place blank line. Here I am placing all components sequentially one by one in same column direction. But our logo image I am placing in third row but in second column. Otherwise all other components are placing in first column, but image is placing in second column, and it is also covering 6 rows. So I wrote row span equal to 6. Next I will place open command, then play button. stop button, pause button, and next exit button. After exit, I will place volume control. It is also in same direction where I am placing all buttons. Row at column first. Next, I will place blank line 2. Our last component is status that will placed in 10th row. Now we have positioned all our component. Now we will write our main function that will run this program, that is root.main loop. Now save the program. Root.configure parentheses bg equal to green. This is the screen color, that is player color, set to green. Now we will run our program. This is the screen of our player. Now we will give functionality to this screen. So last part is our operational part, but in program we will write last part in after our frame creation. In this part we will create all buttons functions. First one is our open buttons function, that is open file box. Here global file name means our file name is public. Next, set file types. Here our Pygame support only two type of files. First one is mp3 file and second one is wave file. So we will write here mp3 files start.mp3, and next is start.wave. Here tcounter doesn't support any type of sound. If you want to add sound, then you will have to install Pygame and you will have to use Pygame Mixer Music. Next we will ask open file box. fd.ask open file name, title equal to open files. Here we are setting initial directory to our source programs directory. Now we are also configuring status bar. Here we are setting text of status to. Here status will display sound file with its all path. Next we will load our music in Pygame Mixer Music. First of all, we will set our global variable, that is file name. We declare it. It is necessary because we are working on two different functions. So this file name can be work on both function. We declare it globally. Next one is pygame.mixer.music.load, that will load our file, and third function is play music. pygame.mixer.music.play. But before playing music we will have to load the music, so we will call our load function in play music function. So we will not separately call load music function. Next function is stop function. Here we will write pygame.mixer.music.stop. Next button is our toggle button, that is pause button. We will create a simple button into a toggle button. Toggle buttons means this button have two state. First one is pause and second one is unpause. Here first we read the text written on button. If it is pause, then we will initiate a pause command, and if it is written unpause, then we will initialize unpause command. cget command is a command that is used to read the content written on any component. If we press pause button, then its text will be changed to unpause, and when we press unpause button, its text will be changed to pause. Next function is slide function, that is our volume control function that will read the status of our scale. Here we will use set volume command. There are two commands, get volume and set volume. This is the end of our operational part. In next part we will connect these operational function with our buttons one by one. First button is open button. So here we will place a function open file function. So here we will write command equal to open underscore file function. There is no need of parentheses here. This is open function. Next one is play button. So here we will add play function with our play button. Its name is run. Command equal to play music. We have already created play music functions. Next one is stop button. We will link stops function with stop button. Next one is pause. So here we will also link pause function. PAUS. We cannot write here pause PAUSE. Next is exit button and sliders. In this way we have created our whole program. Now we will run our program. We have already created all buttons and link all functions. This is our all cut and clear program. All buttons. First of all we will open our sound file. Due to copyright problems I am not playing any song. This is the name of file which we will run. Now we are playing the music. Now we can pause and now unpause. This is the stop button. We can press and stop the music. Now replay. This is the logo of our player. Now volume control. We can set volume. We can change volume, increase or decrease. We are not setting our system volumes. We are only setting our present player volume. Keep in mind this point. This is the header and last one is status. This is the exit button. We have closed our application. Thank you very much.